Good afternoon, Japan. Good afternoon, rest of the world. My name is Kaz. I'm a Japanese entrepreneur who recently moved to Singapore at the end of 2021. The US stock market has been crashing in the last couple of days, and also this week, as of right now, it's April 27th. The GAFAM, Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft, they are announcing fiscal year quarter two's finance statement. It depends on the result. It will affect to the stock market price movement even further. So I'm going to talk about what's going on in the US stock market. If you're interested in today's video, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start today's video. As of right now, April 27th, this is the S&P 500 chart, and as you can see, chart is testing recent 3 months the bottom again. So the more frequently they try to test the bottom, eventually it might go down. That's kind of like a theory. As you can see, it looks like it's starting to forming a descending triangle. So the bottom is already around 4,100, and even though you bounce like right now and you reject it again, and it might go down to even further. So that's what's happening right now. As you can see, the S&P 500 chart. As you can see, right now the 100 days moving average now trying to dead cross against 200-day moving average. So that in the last 3 months, the chart's already been in a downtrend. The chart is not really looking strong. You can see that this EMA ribbon, all the price action happening below the EMA ribbon, so it's not strong at all. And if you kind of look at the GAFAM price actions, let's see. For example, Amazon is actually still remaining pretty okay compared to other GAFAM. So look at that. So Amazon remains, it's still lower than before, but still it's not too bad. But if you look at the Google, Google started, Alphabet, it started to, kind of trying to a little bit lower pricing point, and now compared to around June 23rd, which is almost about 13 months ago, all the price gain has been eliminated by now, so that all the 1 year of the stock market growth has been totally eliminated by now. So Alphabet is kind of going down as well. Apple is actually not bad at all. Apple but still hitting around 200 days moving average as of right now, so that Apple also has been dragged by other GAFAM. But the worst one is going to be the Meta, the Facebook. Facebook actually dropped over 52% from our all-time high that was around mid-September, and from now on it just keeps crashing. So the Facebook is not really looking good, and Microsoft is also forming head and shoulder, and it doesn't kind of look good neither. So that within the GAFAM, Amazon and Apple are performing fine, but Google, Meta, and also Microsoft, they are kind of struggling from the all-time high. So next couple of months, we're going to be carefully looking at all the GAFAM price actions and also the S&P. Because the S&P 500, it's a top 500 companies in the United States, but most of the stock market is consisted by these GAFAM stocks. So that if the GAFAM's performance goes down, the S&P 500's price action are also towards the downtrend. So US stock market right now, it looks pretty weak, and then it looks like the trend transition towards the downside. To the short term, the price might go down a little bit further. But I'm here for the long-term investor. When the price goes down, now's the time I'm gonna keep putting in all the money. So I'm not gonna stop my dollar cost averaging. I will keep conducting the regular dollar cost averaging investment. Anyway, so I just want to quickly update what's going on with the US stock market. Of course, I'm not a specialist, I'm just one of the investor, but I'm looking at a lot of YouTubers and also the news. Right now, the U.S. stock market is not really looking good. Of course, right now, there are so many uncertainty in the market, such as still COVID-19 still going on, and inflation issues, and then the Russia-Ukraine war problem, and also the U.S. FRB is trying to raise the interest. So that also kind of like slow down the economy as well. So there are a lot of issues in the market that personal investor and institutional investor might scared about it. Anyway, let's see how that goes, okay? I'm not a day trader. I'm here for long run, so that I do the chart analysis to look at the long run, but in the next couple of months or so, stock market, cryptocurrency looks pretty weak. Anyway, I just want to heads up what's going on in the market, and if you think today's topic was interesting, please thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe my channel and push the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And please follow my Twitter because I'm talking about the life in Singapore. And again, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye.